Hello guys, you are welcome to this tutorial. I'm Zach at Opportunities Niche and I'm going to be showing you the best payment method you can add to your Facebook payment in 2022. This is an update to my method I use. I use two methods in my 4-hour Facebook Instagram advert course on YouTube here. The first method I used was the MasterCard automatic payment, which is the Master Naira card. You pay with your Master Naira card, Facebook will be charging you automatically. And the advantage of that method is that you can run Facebook ad for a moment and you now pay Facebook later after running some ad. Okay, so that is the great advantage of that one. The issue with that method right now is that a lot of MasterCard are being declined by Facebook when it comes to automatic payment, where you add your ATM card to Facebook for payment because of, I think, CBN, Nigeria CBN policy and so many other things. Okay, so the second method I taught in the payment method recently was the barter by Flutter Wave. The issue with that method right now is that when you transfer your money from Naira account to barter Flutter Wave account and you now transfer it to your dollar Flutter Wave card, you find that the money have reduced drastically because of exchange rate. Okay, so you find that you transfer like 100,000 Naira, for instance. At the end of the day, because of the transformation from Naira to Naira, from Naira to dollar, you now find that the money is not equivalent to 100,000 again in dollar form. So therefore, to avoid those problems, those two methods, I think I need to do an update. So I'm bringing this best method to you in 2022 you should be using, which is the best for now. And it is a manual method, very easy and straightforward. Okay, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the step by step how you do it. This method is carried out with computer. You must have a computer, but if you don't have, no problem. We always use the trick, right? So you make the trick master. So now, if you have your mobile phone or your laptop, let's go to our Google Chrome. You make sure that you are logged into the Facebook that you have your ad account in, and now from the address bar you type business.facebook.com, and as you can see it from my screen, it has already come out. This is the address, and you click on it and go to business.facebook.com. Once you are there, make sure your ad account that you want is selected, and you can see mine is selected here, the one I want to use. If it's not selected, you just quickly click this arrow to select the ad account you want to choose payment method for. So now when you come there, you just scroll down. You are using a mobile as I'm doing right now, and you click on More Tools from here. You click on the More Tools button from here, and once you click on it, what it will bring out the billing. So you can see bill from here. So this is where you set up the method, and you can see if you are using a mobile, it will show you this arrow, but if you are using a laptop, it won't show you. So this arrow right here, this arrow you are seeing, it means that it's telling you that you need a laptop. It will take you back to your mobile phone. So therefore, how you do it, you convert your screen to, you hold here this arrow. If you are using a mobile, you hold it, press it and hold it, that billing. When you press it and hold it, it will tell you to open a new tab or a new group tab. Anyhow, just make sure you open a new tab, and once you open a new tab, I don't know, for your own cases you might need to come here. Sorry, you might need to, in your own cases you might need to come here to check the new tab that has been opened. So for me, I can see my tab here, my new tab that has been opened, and I just go there directly. This, if you are using a mobile. If you are not using a mobile, no problem, because if you are using a mobile, if you click on billing directly, it will take you to your phone. Okay, it will tell you to install this app. Are you saying it is telling me to install this app? So I'm not going to install it. I will bypass it by changing my phone screen to a laptop. So I will come here, click on this. So what I will do is that I will click on this three dot to change my phone to a desktop. We are going all this process if you are not using a laptop. If you are using a laptop, no need for all this. So now you can see you are in your payment method. You can see this is the name, this is the billing. So the method here is that you can just click on add fund. Okay, so when you click on add fund, so therefore you can use this local card. So this local card option will give you the option where you click on it, you select it, you can see it is selected automatically. This one is the former one, which is the automatic payment with your ATM. This local now or pay you, I don't know how it will show in your own. It must show local card or pay you. So this local card, it means that you should just send some money into it. So you can see it has been selected. I've selected it, and then I will click add forward. And once I click on add forward, so once I click on add fund, you can see it saves some ATM. So don't allow it to save your ATM, okay? So what you will do in your own case is that you add a card. The card has not been added. When you put it, you put the card information, but make sure that it is not saved. So when you click on it, after you select the amount, sorry. So the what you do here so that I make a mistake is that you select the amount, okay? Select the amount first. So this is where you select the amount, okay? So select the amount you want to put in your account. You can be 100,000, 200,000, 500,000, any amount. It can be 20,000 naira. Put it there, and then once you put it there, you now select the local card, okay? So you proceed from there. So what this method will give you is that it is now better because it will give you the option to keep using one card. So I will show you now what you will do. You make sure that when you put your card information, this one have already been saved. The card here has already been saved. Don't save it. If you save it, it will keep declining. So you just select the card, put the information, like select the card here, then continue, new card. Let me select new card. So put, you can see the amount you want to send now. It is not in dollar, it's actually in Naira. You can see, so you select the card information here, you put them, and look at this option here. Are you seeing a save card for future payment? Don't save, don't tick here, okay? So don't tick it. So you proceed from here, you put the card information and you click on this pay. You can see the pay blue button here. So that is it. That is how you now pay locally. So make sure you don't save the card so that you will be able to keep sending money, just like transfer. You understand? It's like transfer. So there's no limitation. There's no $100 limitation as the Naira card automatic payment has. Okay. So the issue now is that if you have an ad account that is old one, that you have already selected this automatic payment, which is by MasterCard or Visa card, it will not work. You will not see this option. You will not see this pay you or local card option again. So that is how Facebook did it. So the only solution, if you are still having challenges with your payment method, is to open a new ad, create a new ad account. It's not difficult. Just create a new ad account and put your Facebook page there, and you continue to pay with local card. Okay. So basically what you do is make sure that when you are creating the new ad account, you actually put Naira. You select Naira card. When you go to billings, make sure you select Naira card. If you mistakenly select dollar, pay you or local card does not work for dollar. It only works for Naira card, okay? As easy as that. I believe you understand this procedure. If you know I've given you value, please give me a like and a thumb up, okay? So this is the payment method for 2022, Facebook ad payment method that is best for now. It's easy. It's just like you keep one ATM, you will keep transferring, just like you are transferring, okay? So Facebook, don't save it. I repeat, don't save it, okay? So don't save it. So once you did not save it, Facebook will not identify that card and they will not be giving you payment issue anymore. You only transfer to it. So the only disadvantage of this method is that you cannot run ad without having money in your account. You must add fund first to the account. It's manual payment, okay? You must add fund first in your account. Maybe you add 20,000 naira. That 20,000 naira, if it's finished, you will not be able to run ad again till you refund the account. Okay, so this is just the only disadvantage, and it's very okay. It's very cool. Got value? Please give me a like and a thumb up. God bless you. I remain Zach at Opportunities Niche.